Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the recap for today. I had a pretty good day. Sorry about yesterday. It's last week. The whole last week I didn't trade and I missed the whole crazy move about Hood unfortunately. And yeah, so that was a little bit of unfortunate situation. But yeah, so I came back and well, looking to that, the market was interesting. The Bitcoin is popping back up, up to back to 45,000. It might go back up toward the high of all-time high. So I had a hood on my watch. It was gapping up. Unfortunately, I got stopped out twice on it. It was really, choppy. I didn't know the price action. This was the first time I'm actually trading hood. So I went for an opening range break up, but it really didn't. I went for opening range, 5-minute opening range break up, really didn't give me any opportunity. So that's a 5-minute, it was really popping up, the volume was okay on it. Popped up and came down, I got it stopped out, I went long again. Actually, I think I added more here, I went long again and then dumped on it at me. So I got to stop that twice on it. And I don't blame myself that much either, but again, you don't know if it's choppy until you at least get it stopped out once or twice. That drop was bad, but I was taking my share size small because for me, it was also very important to get back into the trading mentality slowly and carefully. So what did we trade? So that was the hood. Oh, I think I got short here. Yeah, I think I have lost the short in the rear as well by mistake. AMD. AMD was interesting. So AMD was also one of the stocks that last week, just look at this beautiful move from 90 all the way to 100. Just unbelievable, this move. And I just missed it. The last week I really didn't trade it much, unfortunately. And I wanted to get back into the action. And the open is sold off. Then I tried to catch, all the way to this moving average that we have on a daily chart. So the moving average on daily chart is about 107. And I tried to catch a double bottom reversal on it. By mistake, I jumped in too early. So the first trade that I did was wrong. I really just jumped in too early on that. That was a stupid me. So the garbage trucks are out there. I gotta go jump in there because of that trade. The second one after this pop was okay. I went long at 108.80. I got something out of it. And then it started moving up again. Brian and I both tried to really catch something out of it. It really started moving back up. It squeezed up, and that was really a good move on that. After this volume picked up, that's a really short squeeze. It started went up great, and I took it at 111, sold off all the way up to 112. I added more for another pop. Then I added a 920 trade here, but eventually got it stopped out. So I added a 920 trade, but I got to stop that. So actually, I think I gave all the profit back on AMD. Yeah, I gave all the profit back on AMD. This one was a good trade, but the 920 didn't work out, and I got to stop that. GNUG was good. The open, I got stopped out on GNUG twice. Again, I jumped in a little bit too early on GNUG for a 1-minute open range breakout. I eventually got this squeeze on it. One long, it really didn't set up for a 1-minute open range breakout. We got stopped out, tried it again, and stopped out. But eventually, we got this bounce from 18. From this 18 all the way up to I think about 1860 or something. Sold some, added more, sold some, and then I added more. It really didn't sell until I got it stopped out at the break even. Generally, that was okay day for me, and that's pretty much it. So I'm flat on day trade. I still have some ARK and TNA. They bounced back. So I had about 12,000 shares of TNA. I got some out in the net pop, and I'm still holding some here. ARK still has it. So ARK has, it's my exposure to technology. TNA is the small caps. They're not doing much. And here on the other account, I still have some TNA as well. So I actually have a lot of exposure to these small caps. But it looks like that they're actually, trying to go back because they did claim these moving averages on a daily chart, and market seems that although today is negative IWM, but it looks like the Russell 2000 really got these moving averages on a daily chart, so it might slowly moving back up, grinding up. And as Brian mentioned in his recap yesterday on swing trading, there's not a lot of wicks or fear factor in the market, so it might be just the normal choppiness. See how it goes. Last week, sorry, I didn't really send the newsletter, but we do have a lot of really nice webinars this week. Just go to our website, just click on the webinar. We don't need this. Today I will be onboarding in technology with Kyle, and we have Mike today, actually August 10th. Yeah, tomorrow, about fundamentals of risk control. And then we do have coming back Kyle again with Bookmap. That's excellent. They have this, psychology with Dr. Katz. That's the one that I think canceled last week or 2 weeks ago. And we'll just mentorship sessions with me and Thor. And we have the crypto. I think we're gonna add the options Friday as well. So Adi can talk about a little bit of option trading that they're doing. So that could be something that you might want to consider. Excellent, guys. Well, thank you so much. And sorry about last week. I was climbing all in Colorado, but now back in the office. And hopefully we can get good action together. Have a good day, guys. Cheers.